In this lesson, we'll make a game where the aim is to keep 3 hungry birds from eating the fruit they're after. And we're going to be controlling the birds by changing some of their properties, such as their coordinates. We'll start by telling the computer to generate a random number between 0 and 30 every 0.1 seconds. We'll instruct it to always check for the numbers, and if the number is 10, the blue bird will fly straight up at the speed of 2. Because it's random, you'll never know how long it will be until it takes off. Next, we'll create a click event to help us send the bird back to its starting position on the y-axis. Make sure you are ready to click when it takes off. Now we'll add some cherries that the bird wants to catch. We'll also add a score that keeps ticking for as long as we can keep the birds away from the cherries. If it reaches them, the game will end. This code says that when the bird reaches the cherries, the final score will be displayed and the game will stop. Now, it might seem easy to keep up with a single bird, but what about 3 unpredictable feathered friends? We'll use the final steps of the lesson to build code for 2 more birds, setting their speeds, headings and Y positions as we did for the first bird. We'll decide which random number will set each bird off, and add some fruit for them to reach for. Can you stop them all and keep the game going?